Now we have series circuits. We have 3 resistors, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, and 5 ohm, and the voltage is 48. Since it's in series, so I is constant everywhere, electric current. Let's find out RT first. RT is 3 plus 4 plus 5. That's going to be 12 ohm. The I is going to be V divided by R. It's going to be 48 divided by 12. That's going to be 4 amps. So that's going to be 4 amp. So then we need to find V1, V2, V3. V1 is I1 times R1. V2 is I2 times R2. V3 is going to be I3 R3. So I is constant everywhere, so I can say I1 equals to I2 equals to I3. That's what we have in series circuit. So here we have 4 times 3, that's 12 volts. Here we have 4 times 4, that's 16 volt. That's 4 times 5 is going to be 20 volt. So if you just check it, when you add them, it's supposed to give you 48. Now let's find out P1, P2, P3. P1 is I1 V1, P2 is I2 V2, P3 is going to be I3 V3. It's going to be I1 is 4, V1 is 12, that's 48 watt. I2 is 4 times V2, which is 16, that's going to be 64 watt. I3 and V3 is going to be 4 times V3, which is 20. That's going to be 80 watts. So total watts is going to be 48 plus 64 plus 80. That's going to give me 192 watts. You could also use the formula for P, for example, V1 squared divided by R1. If you use such a thing, it's going to be 12 to the power of 2 divided by R1, which is 3. That's going to give you exactly the same number.